We started 11 years ago, just on a shoestring budget. Now we have some pretty good corporate sponsors, and we're looking for more corporate sponsors. And we would like to have a premiere in the next few years, a premier fireworks show out in this corner of the county. City of Lubbock does theirs kind of in the northeast corner of the county. We would like to do this one out in the southwest corner of the county and entertain people. We'd encourage people not to use fireworks, but to go and see the show and let the professionals handle it. Well, we're looking for a major corporate sponsor. We've got some small corporate sponsors right now, and we're looking for a major corporate sponsor to handle the whole thing and make it more streamlined, simplified. We have gone to an electronic shooting process 3 years ago, and we're licensed through the state. And we have really good insurance, and we're doing it a lot safer than what we used to. For the first 8 years, we had some incidents. Nobody was hurt seriously, a couple of burns here and there. But we saw that that was not going to work well, so we wanted to go with a real professional electronic shot show. Now, there is another level up from what we're doing now. This is pretty slick what we do, but the next step up is going to be choreographed music through 2 computers, and that's where we'd like to go. But we bought more this year than we have in the past. In our show last year, I think it was 27 minutes. It was a pretty good show. And we expect to do as well or better this year.